Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a DHL Express account. So if you want to make a proper tracking of all your shipments, this can be one of the really wonderful methods to do so that your packages come to you very handy. So if you want to create a DHL account, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the DHL Express mobile app on your phone, and then open up the app. As soon as you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this that will show you end user license agreement. Read through it and then tick the boxes and then tap on agree and continue. After doing this, here you can see that you have two options, that is either to log in or to sign up. Since you have not yet created an account, tap on sign up and then tap on sign up again. After doing this, now you can enter your first name here. So here I'm just going to enter my first name and then type in your last name and now give in your phone number. After doing this, also type in your email address. So I'm just going to type in my email address here real quick. And after typing in your email address, you also have to set a password. So make sure that you set up a really strong password. So here I'm just going to type in my password and then tap on next. After doing this, it says that for the verification process, they will send in a 6-digit code, which I'll have to now enter here. So wait until you receive the 6-digit code. So here I'm just going to wait a certain time for the 6-digit code, and here I can see that I've already received it. So I'm just going to type in here. It says that a verification link has been sent to your email address. So now you'll have to verify through your email too. So I'm just going to go and check my Gmail if there's any verification code or verification link that I've gotten from DHL Express. So here I can see that I've already received an email. So I'm just going to open the email and see what it is for. So here I need to simply tap on confirm email address. After a certain while, it begins to load. And then here it says that your account was successfully created. So tap on OK. And now you can add address either now or later. So I'm just going to tap on skip. Confirm that you want to skip. And now what you can do is, for a quicker login, you can either enable your Touch ID or you can skip. I'm just going to skip this process for now. And here it says that my account has already been created. So this is basically how you create your DHL Express account. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If this has been useful, please let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to How to Geek. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.